What's up, Team T, baby? I am back. We're a little close, sorry guys. So today I'm going to be showing y'all how to make some more donuts. But what kind of donuts? Hold on. Black bean donuts. I'm making donuts out of freaking black beans. Like, you guys probably at this point think I'm crazy because I'm always doing some kind of weird concoction, but it always comes out so good. And you can literally make like anything with beans. Like, beans beat the magical freaking beans. It is so true when they say that. So I wanted to use kidney beans, which is really obviously good for your kidneys, and that's what I need in my life right now. But I guess I just ran out of kidney beans, so I'm replacing it with black beans, which are also really good for you and high in protein. 7 grams of protein for half a cup. So the more donuts we eat, the more protein we get, right? So like I said, I do my own recipe. I always throw a bunch of stuff in that sometimes I'm like, should I add protein powder? Should I not? I think this recipe I'm not going to add extra protein because beans already have a lot of protein, and then those of you that don't have protein powder, you'll be able to make this recipe right away. So it is optional. Maybe for the frosting on top you can throw in some protein powder with almond milk and make that as like a protein frosting. I did that for my last donuts. But yeah, these are going to be super easy and super good, and I'm probably going to have it with some ice cream because your girl has a sweet tooth every day. So yeah, let's make these black bean chocolatey donuts and let's get started.
One step is all it takes to get us moving anywhere. And now that we are on our way, I need to say what used to keep us back were just excuses made to not change. I promise to be there in every single way. We're doing this together, every step we take closer to each other. So much to discover. I can't help but feeling our love taking over. Our hearts getting closer and closer. I can't get enough of times of getting lost with you. Getting lost with you. Getting lost with you. One step more and now we're far from everything we had. Ready for whatever's lying up ahead. We won't stop moving, feels too good for that. So good. Feeling our love taking over. Our hearts getting closer and closer. I can't get enough of times of getting lost with you. Getting lost with you. I promise to be there in every single way. We're doing this together, every step we take closer to each other. So much to discover. Getting lost with you. Getting lost with you.
Oh my gosh, you guys, these had probably just came out perfect. They literally took about like 8 to 10 minutes to cook. I'm so full, but you know I have to do the taste test for you. And as you know, chocolate is my weakness, especially when it's that time of the month. Ladies, you know what I'm talking about. And fellas, those that have a girlfriend or a wife, you definitely know what I'm talking about. You just give her chocolate, make her these donuts. I promise you it'll be so much better for you. I have chocolate ice cream. I'm considering putting this on top later, but right now I'm just too full. As I told you guys, I stuffed myself before I bake, so I do not eat 6, 7, 8, and 9, like all 9, 10 of these donuts, and I just have one. So I will do a bite now to show you how freaking good these look. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. This is my first time making this donut recipe, and let's see how it tastes. Come to mama. Sweets are my weakness. Oh my gosh, how cute. Ooh, look at how steaming it is, you guys. See, that's another thing, is I don't have patience when it comes to like something I make. I need to know if it's good. Like, I have to try it if it's really hot. But I have a really high tolerance for hot things, like hot tea. I have a really high tolerance for all that stuff. Oh wow, you guys, these came out fluffy as fudge. Oh wow, I'm so excited. Okay, chocolate and sweets, my #1 favorite. Baby, you have my heart. Oh my god, y'all literally don't understand right now. Here, Team T baby, the fluff and the M word, you guys know, I told you before I don't like that word. The MOIST is real. Holy shit, these are so good. This is probably one of my new favorites. I feel like I say that every time, but they keep getting better and better. Keep getting better at these donuts. Like my sweet tooth knows what it wants, but oh my god. That is literally my new favorite donut. I wish you guys can taste these right now. This is so good. I'm so glad I'm so full, because I would probably, not kidding, if I wasn't full, I would probably eat like 3 of these right now. Probably put ice cream in the middle and make a sandwich or some sort. But wow, I am so happy with this. You guys, please try this. I didn't add any protein powder. I didn't add anything. You should have these ingredients. If you don't, they're not expensive. I really hope you guys give this recipe a try. It is so worth it. Whew, that is amazing. I really wish I could share that with you. But yeah, that is all I have for today. High protein bean brownies. What would you ever think? Would you ever think? Beans, magical beans. And that is all I have for you today. I love you all so much, and I'll see you on my next video.